Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we get started on the 24-hour temperature cast. I am not expecting a lot of movement with these numbers, a lot of mid-60s early, and maybe we get to 70 this afternoon. Depends on those showers, which should be fairly stubborn throughout the day today. And I think tomorrow we'll see those temperatures dip back into the middle and upper 50s. The radar, it's been a little active since even early this morning. It's going to get more active as we get towards the morning commute and into the mid-morning stages. Right now I see some showers around Thomasville on Highway 84 over towards Quitman. I got a few more showers up Highway 319, not far as Moultrie just yet. Some showers, light stuff over towards Bainbridge, so we've got some activity. There's a little bit more further to the west when you get up towards Dothan, Alabama, a whole lot more when you get south and west of Franklin County and Gulf and Bay counties, and all of that is moving our way. So showers going to be a big part of the forecast as this moves our way. This is the first jolt, not the only one, the first one. I think as we go through the day today, more showers will develop, and that means more areas are going to get wet multiple times, so plan on being wet often today, and in the instances that we're getting some breaks, then it'll feel better out there. 66 the temperature at the Tallahassee Airport. It's actually one of the warmer spots around. In Valdosta we're at 64. In Thomasville we're at 61. There is a little bit of a breeze, but just a little bit of a breeze, and it's mostly out of the southeast. How about a few more temperatures all around the region? You see that tight grouping again. So many between like 63 and 66. Thomasville, Moultrie at 61, Tifton at 60, and Homerville at 59 are the few spots not in that 63 to 66 range. It isn't super breezy out there, but we do have a little breeze out of the east and southeast. Now, I do expect to find some reduced visibilities. Some will have to do with some of the rain coming down. Some will have to do with some of the fog. So far, though, most areas better than 4 or 5 miles. The showers have been slowly moving in our direction since really early this morning. They'll continue as this bit of energy gets here, and that'll touch off those showers. As we go through the day today in this warm, humid, unstable air mass, we're going to find more showers developed as this boundary sort of gets dragged through the area and as this energy moves into the area. And all of it points towards a pretty soggy setup for the morning commute, through the lunch hour, into the afternoon and the evening commute, and maybe even past supper time. Now, we'll start to get some breaks in the activity later on today, and especially more tonight, but I do think some of the showers are going to linger. We might even have a couple that linger early tomorrow before things start to clear out and the winds shift again. Once those winds shift, we get those northwest and west breezes. That'll start to dry things out, and I do think it's a much brighter looking forecast later in the day tomorrow, and especially Thursday, before we actually start turning our attention farther west for maybe the next chance to get wet coming in from the west by the weekend. So I think Thursday is looking like the best day this week. Friday, we start to reaccumulate the clouds, and maybe we're talking about another shot for showers by Saturday. Got some time between now and then to fine tune all that. And today, by the way, is going to be a wet one on and off from start to finish. Breezy out there for the boaters. Winds out of the southeast and south up to about 20 knots. Seas up to about 4 feet. We'll call it choppy in the protected waters. 60s this morning, the showers start. I want to put the rain chances at 90% throughout the day. I am expecting everybody to get wet today and multiple times. We'll shoot for 70 for a daytime high. In some of the breaks and gaps we can get there, but certainly not everybody's going to get out of the 60s. Tonight, we probably fall back through the 50s. Lingering showers finally start to fizzle out. And here's that 7-day forecast where Thursday looks like the best one. Friday looks like a pretty good one, too. You know I like that 50-80 split, and I think we've got a pretty good shot both days to be someplace close to it. As we get to Saturday, though, that next chance for showers is starting to look a little bit more real and come into focus. Here is another reminder that this is the weekend we spring forward. That means we turn the clocks ahead, so we lose that hour of sleep Saturday into Sunday. With a little bit of luck, we start to lose those clouds Saturday into Sunday, too, and things want to brighten up a little bit heading into the beginning of next week. Notice, though, not a lot of cold in this forecast. Some of the really long-range computers are hinting at maybe some cooler weather late next week. I ain't buying any of it just yet. And first things first, got a soggy day on tap for our Tuesday.